Hi everybody, tonight I will show you how I do the drop stitch technique. First I will cast on with waste yarn. I should just do one row but I forgot. But don't worry, I will remove it at the end and show you how to fix it. But if you do it right now, just do one row of waste yarn. You see I pass the black needles. I will go and bring my yarn closer to the black needle. So I will just crank the machine now. I don't know how many rows I did. It's only a sample I show you today. I have a ball of yarn, so I decided to do it with it just to show you, and it ended up fitting my little grandchild. So put your yarn in the middle and then you will bring a waste yarn that you will go and grab just every 2 stitch. Very important, every 2 stitch. You will have to crank the machine to be able to remove it. You didn't see it, but I cranked the machine. So I go every 2 stitch. Will attach my yarn there. Attach it with that little bow and crank the machine to release it from it. Put it in the middle, release it. There. Put the machine aside. Time to pull. Because I just grab 1 stitch every 2 stitch, will be released like this. So just have to pull on it. It's actually fun to do pulling the drop stitch. Drop stitch is not fun when you try to not doing any drop stitch like in your project. But when you do it on purpose, very relaxing to do that. I should take another cutter because it's very similar to the table. I just noticed that, sorry. So if you're on a cellular phone, must be not too easy to see. Just pull, pull, pull. And like I said, on the other side, I should do just one waste yarn row, but I will show you how to fix that. It's a good thing. I was not supposed to do that, but I did, so I will show you a way to fix that. There. So I will just remove the waste yarn gently and go and put another waste yarn. If I could find it. It is the cast on part. So it's always like a knot to remove the cast on. I have to find it. There. So I remove it. Ah, no, I didn't. I thought I did. La. So if I could find the knot, there. Then I just have to pull the first row. Very gentle because I don't want to lose my stitches. And I will go with another color. Grab all the stitches. But if you just do one row at the beginning, you will have no reason to do that. So I'm just gonna grab all the stitches with another color yarn. Make sure you grab all your stitches. Forgot to take a... There, almost finished. Pull the tail. one stitch on the top, and I will go on the other side. I know it's not easy to see now. I see it now. When I did it on the video, I didn't see myself, so sorry. And the color is very close to the table, so very important to grab one stitch, and then you go down, you grab the old one, and there. Hey boy, it's very not easy to follow. Sorry for this video, but maybe it could help you, give you a hint, because you will see the work at the end. I will try to do a better video soon. It's very hard to do a new video lately because kids don't have school here, so I have to do a homeschooling. And it's not easy with the kids to find the time to do video after that. There, grab the other one. So I grab two, I go down, I grab the old stitches, grab a new one, and then add one up. Grab the last stitch, grab a new one. Go down, grab the last stitch, grab a new one. Maybe it's better here. Old stitch, grab a new one, pull, go down, last stitch, grab a new one, grab stitch, last stitch, grab a new one, and you do that all the way. And it's not easy to see, I agree with you. There, almost finished. Grab the last stitch, grab a new one. Turn your work. Yeah, you could do a nice headband for a baby at the end. And you remove the waste yarn, we'll see it better. There, last stitch, and grab a new one. And I will show you the both side of it after. At the beginning I miss a stitch, and you will see it at the end. Because I forgot to grab the last stitch and grab a new one. So I would remove the waste yarn, just have to pull on it. It's there. And I will do the same thing with the other yarn. There. So it doesn't look that bad. To an infinity scarf, it could be possible. I will hide those two tails. Just do a double knot. It's not that bad. I thought it was worse, but it's not that bad. The other side is better. So that's good. Look cute. So I will hide those tails. And voila, that's the video for this week. Hope you learned something. I know I was messy in my work, but hope you learned something. I like doing drop stitch. I will do more video of it. See you next week for a new video. Ciao ciao. Don't forget to subscribe.